Hi, I'm Wayne Johnson, Senior Pre-Sales Engineer with Pentaho. Today I want to talk to you about 3 things you should know before you start evaluating Pentaho. The first thing is to help you realize that you do have options. There are several ways you could go about an evaluation. The first and easiest way is through demonstration. And we have a hosted demo where you can go ahead and use Pentaho, have a hands-on experience using some standard data that may be similar to your organization. The second way that you can evaluate Pentaho is through the use of a custom demonstration or /POC. What this entails is you provide Pentaho with your data, and we will build out, based on some standard use cases that you may have, a demonstration that solves those particular issues your organization is having. And the third way is that you run your own custom POC, and you use Pentaho for help with that. Now, before you start your evaluation, the second thing you should realize is that you should really have a plan. What does having a plan entails? Well, having clearly defined requirements. This is important because as you start to evaluate Pentaho, you'll have many options of things you can do. And so you want to be able to narrow that down to some clearly defined goals. Maybe use some sample reports. Oftentimes, as you see here, we're using a whiteboard to make our points clear. You may want to sit down with Pentaho and use a whiteboard similar to this and draw out what you think a potential solution may look like. This helps greatly in being able to really focus in on what solution you're trying to accomplish within your organization and how Pentaho can help you solve that. The third one is don't boil the ocean. You know, what you want to do is limit your data set to a pertinent set where you can extract valuable information. As I mentioned earlier, you want to focus on some common use cases. You know, some of the common use cases within different industries is, for example, in the hotel industry, you may want to focus on how can we leverage and make sure that we're filling up our rooms nightly and increase our occupancy rate, right? Or maybe within healthcare, you want to make sure that your healthcare providers are processing claims correctly. You want to have a good understanding of those use cases and be able to communicate those use cases and requirements in written form to Pentaho so we can help show you how Pentaho can solve those issues. And last but not least, you want to work with Pentaho. Pentaho offers you, through your POC or custom demonstration, free support. So what you will do is sit down with a solutions architect to help review all of your requirements and again map those back to how Pentaho not only can solve those, but how we've helped other people that have those similar issues solve those problems within their organization.